Guys, it's about 4:30. It's around there, 4:30, 4 o'clock. I'm here in Grapevine. It's snowing, slight snow, nothing too major. The roads aren't, they're still wet, they're not frozen. And there's a 8-minute to 10-minute hold up here. I don't know why people start driving reckless for no reason. It's just really annoying. There shouldn't be traffic here at this time right now. Ahorita llegué, aquí estoy en la Grapevine, aquí por el 5, yendo sur para Anaheim. Ahorita voy para Anaheim. Tengo carga para Anaheim, para descargar ahí. Pero pues aquí andamos en trafical, y está cayendo nieve y pues la gente no sabe cómo manejar y las carreteras todavía no están mojadas, entonces no hay hielo en las carreteras, en la freeway. Pero pues ya ves cómo la gente se pone bien locos. Pero aquí ya vamos a esperar un buen rato. Lo más que esperamos va a caer más y más nieve. So the more we wait, more and more snow is just gonna fall down, and I might not even get past here. Hopefully I do. But I'm on my way to Anaheim. I have a load to Anaheim. I'm gonna unload there and then load their dirt to take back to Los Hills. But we'll see how long it takes here. So guys, it's 7:15. I'm still here. So I waited about 3 hours, almost close to 4. 3 hours. And we're still in this traffic. We haven't moved at all. Right now I heard on the radio that they're turning people back. I'm not sure if it's if they're turning people back that are coming up north or turning people back that are going down south, which is me. So aquí estoy esperando. Tengo 3 horas aquí esperando. Aquí en el radio lo tengo prendido. Estaban diciendo que están regresando la gente para atrás. No sé si están regresando la gente que van para sur o van para norte, que están regresando. Nomás vamos a tener que esperar y a ver qué pasa. Hold on guys, it's 8 o'clock on the dot. So you guys see up ahead, there's a CHP. They have the cones out. I'm here in Fraser Park. That's what it's called here. So they got it closed down. So there goes my day. I had a pretty good day. It was planned out perfectly. I had to load back, and then I had to go to Fresno after that load of ASR. If you guys know, I always load that coming out of LA, and after I unload that, I'll go to Fresno to bring back to Bakersfield. So mira, como ven, aquí el CHP lo está encerrado aquí en Fraser Park, así se llama aquí mero. Pues ahorita sí está cayendo mucho nieve aquí. No me imagino cómo está cayendo allá más arriba. Pero iba a cargar en Anaheim tierra, llevarlo para atrás para Bakersfield y para Los Hills, y luego iba a ir a agarrar una carga en Fresno para traer para atrás para Bakersfield. Entonces ahí ya se acabó mi día. Era un día bien pagado, pues. No quería quedarme en la casa. Quería sacar estos viajes porque sí pagan bien todo eso. Pero ni modo, el nieve nos ganó. So what I was saying is, that load that I had planned out today, the load to Anaheim, I would load Anaheim to Los Hills, and then I would go to Fresno to Bakersfield. I didn't want to lose that load. That's a really good paying load. But Mother Nature beat me to it. But honestly, it's nothing bad. Better to be safe than sorry. I don't really travel in the snow. I just stay in California. But I know that ice is nothing to play with. So I'm just glad, the CSP is, just telling us to go back home to Bakersfield, so everything's all good. So it's gonna be a short video. Guys, so I got back. I told my dispatcher we got a spare truck, it's empty. If you got anything for us, I'll knock it out. He told me to load boxes to Fresno, and then in Fresno I'm gonna load back to Bakersfield. So this is a good paying haul. This is really nice. One of the trucks we have there just sitting, doesn't have a driver yet. I picked it up, I came over here to load up the boxes, and we'll go to Fresno. Ok, so aquí llegué, como ven tengo otro troque, por razón que llegué a la yarda y agarré este. Le dije al despachador, le pregunté, pues ahí tengo un troque que está vacío, si traes algo, lo puedo hacer. Y me dijo que cargaba cajas para llevar para Fresno, y ahí en Fresno vamos a cargar de regreso para Bakersfield. Esos viajes son pagados bien, están pagados bien. Me gustan. So these are the boxes. I'm pretty sure only about one more is gonna fit in the back. Aquí están las cajas. Estoy seguro que solo uno más va a caber. 1, 2, 3, 8 cajas. So 8 boxes fit in here. They could probably fit more on top, but they're loading me with a little forklift. So just 8 boxes going to Fresno. Then I'll load there to bring back to Bakersfield. So I just loaded tin belts to make sure both. They got loose tin under there, under the tin belts, and then like I said, they got tin belts on top. This on here, making sure nothing will fly away. And by the looks of it, I don't have to put I should put the tarp on, but honestly, this stuff it won't fly. It's just a bunch of little foam. That's honestly nothing major. But I mean, if the CHP sees me, they'll pull me over, which I'm hoping they don't. Ya cargué aquí en Fresno. Lo que tengo abajo es lámina suelta. Luego acá arriba son pacas de lámina, pues. Ahí están dos, 8 pacas de lámina. Tengo aquí ando arriba para asegurarme que no tengo nada que se me va a volar. Y parece que no va a volar nada, nomás trae esto, pues la esponja, mira, esto, pues eso es nada, pero ahí lo bajo y así no tengo que poner la lona.